Good morning, guys. We are at Disneyland. This is the last day of our 5-day trip, cruise and Disney combo.
We got Arc Adventures here, and we're getting ready to get on the monorail and jet into the park.
Yep. Our ride has arrived. It's the Disney Monorail. It's the last adventure of our 5-day vacation.
And we're spending the day at Disneyland.
But we have to hurry to make the most of the day.
That's because the park closes to regular guests at 8 for Star Wars night.
We made it, guys. We are in Disneyland, and our first stop is Tomorrowland. But I think
Tomorrowland today.
But I think we might jet over to Galaxy's Edge and do Rise of the Resistance, because even though that has Lightning Lane, it costs $29. So right now it's probably gonna be the shortest line of the whole trip. It's at 50 minutes. So let's go over there and get that one done first.
And
then we'll maybe, and then maybe we'll meet up with the OGs. We're a little bummed because the Matterhorn is closed for renovations, but that's okay. We'll get it next time. Entering Galaxy's Edge. Can geek out on some Star Wars now. We've never been on Rise of the Resistance, so we're in for a treat. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited for everything at Disneyland. Nothing's too scary.
Do you even know what Rise of the Resistance is?
Something Star Warsy.
Yeah, you're correct. Star Wars. Standby wait time, 50 minutes.
All the way forward, please. All the way forward, please. All the way forward, please.
Wow. BB-8.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel price you lie. That's better. Check the binary motivator. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Andy, Andrea, I might be on Andy's team on this.
Hands together and choose a side, left or right in the hallway.
Serious, sir.
Everybody stay together. We'll be okay.
Baby, don't make any sudden movements. Do you know jiu-jitsu? You might need to say
I'm
this.
a white belt.
Everyone on the color, shoulder to shoulder. Make room.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
No one said one person per dot. Slide on down.
How come they separated us from our
Because we're captured.
Once again, remember the colors that you've all been assigned. If you don't know your color, look down at your feet. I suggest you commit that color to your memory, as it will be vital for your interrogation.
I don't know, baby. This might be it. We're done for.
I think I'm in trouble.
Great. Orange, into the cell. Find your color inside. Stand on a keyboard.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Is he trying to get my platinum gift?
Oh.
The resistance. Find your side color and hurry, let's go. Let's
Go.
It's nice that when we're being rescued, we can still be safe.
That's correct. Oh, yeah.
There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Oh, no.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Good thing they're a terrible aim. Oh!
Are we going up?
was so fun. All right, on to another ride. We don't know where we're going. Actually, we are going to the Smuggler's Run. The
Smuggler's
Millennium
Run.
Fountain. Standby time, 15 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. We're almost to the cockpits.
Andrea plans on driving good. I plan on driving bad, so let's see how that
Wait,
works out.
who's left and right and who's up and down?
I'm left and right.
Okay.
And then go to one.
Come on. Pile it up.
I got it. Okay. I've never piloted through a warp speed before. That was my fault.
You guys are running into the walls.
Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
I think we're hitting the ceiling.
I'm sorry.
Monorail. There's a missile coming after us.
Dodge the missile.
Don't let it fall. We're going in the Cantina. Yes. Wow, this is cool. Now we are leaving Galaxy's Edge and headed to Splash Mountain.
Frontierland.
Yeah, or Critter Country.
Critter Country.
Critters. There they go. Splash Mountain is probably the last time we're going to see it in its original form. They're changing it. Nice log ride.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids.
All right, ready to go down Slip and Falls, baby? Oh, I guess we're going right away. No brakes. Ah! No! Woo!
It's so warm.
Get yourself down there.
Totally soaked. Oh, all the way down to my underwear.
My shoe is so wet.
I am all, so is mine. Here it is, guys.
That's just where you go.
Here we go. Yeah.
I can't wait for you to see how happy I am in the picture. You're so Right? Remember that one time you said it's will dry off because it's so sunny?
It's gonna be warm today.
Sunshine, head my way.
Betsy's pretty wet.
Wait, I guess I have a hidden Mickey. Oh no.
Hey, Mickey. All squish right here.
So Mike's soggy bottom.
Yeah, I'm soggy bottom. So now we're gonna go on the Haunted Mansion, and I feel bad for whoever's going to get in the cart after me, because I'm gonna leave a puddle on that seat.
Every room has walls and creeps, and hot and cold, running still.
Bring ghosts, come out to socialize. Now don't
Here it is, Club 33. We'll let Rich ring the doorbell because Walt is his homeboy. Any second now. Go away. That would be pretty cool. All right, on to Pirates.
Only tilt your head
All
to
right,
the right.
Pirates, are we all ready? Are we ready?
Speak up, Dutchman! Speak up! Only your passion!
Yo-ho. What devils and blacks you really bad eggs? Drink up for me, hardest yo-ho.
Look at that.
Drizzle.
It's got the frosting drizzle.
Yeah, she's doing a double back. Oh, whoa. Perfect.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
Fruity. Thick boy mode.
Yeah. You got a little something, something.
Here we are, guys. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. We loved Indiana Jones as always, but now it's time for some food. We're going to Rancho del Zocalo Restaurante for some Mexican food. Look at those tacos. Man, that looks good.
Not bad. Hey, I don't know
Not
this guy. Yeah, why do you want to see my tacos? Name of those place?
Now, Mike.
All right, Rancho Zocalo. You see, we have a trio of tacos. Look awesome. Andrea, are they good?
Ooh, 5 minutes wait.
Oh, wow. That's a great wait time. Oh, 15. You were misled there.
Yeah, alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Percy, and I'll be your navigator for as far as we go, I guess. Allow me to point out some of my favorite plants we have here. The Jungle Cruise, starting with that one. And that one right there. And now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for this. The stupendous Zocalo, the eighth wonder of the natural world. Say it with me if you know it. Still say it with me if you don't. On the count of 3. 1, 3. Up back! Yeah!
Okay, bye, jungly side.
And hello to Tomorrowland. Being removed from this rocket because our rocket broke down.
Our rocket didn't break.
We had some.
Got his backpack strap stuck, and now they're sending us in here.
Okay. All right, guys, that was a fun ride.
Awesome.
We almost got to go behind the scenes. We're temporary cast members, guys. We were temporary cast members. Our next ride was on the Finding Nemo submarines. We had about 30 minutes until our scheduled live show, so we dove under real quick to look at some fishies.
Well, it wasn't quick. We started our live show late, but that's okay. We had plenty of time to chat in the Autopia line and even do a cocktail corner. Think that's water? We're mixing vodka with Sprite and chasing it with cotton candy. Pretty sure that's not allowed.
Especially since we're about to drive. The live show wasn't the smoothest we've ever done. The sound was horrible and the video, well, yeah. Alright guys, we've got 1 hour before the park closes, so we are going to hit some fantasy rides. Andy and Andrea have never been on the old school 1950s, 60s, Mr. Toad and Peter Pan, those kinds of rides. So this will be a treat for them and a little historical as well. So this is it. We're going to do just the last few rides before the park closes, and then it'll be done for the day. How sad.
Normally, there would still be a lot of day left at Disneyland, but they're kicking us out at 8 o'clock for the start of Star Wars night.
So we took Andy and Andrea to these old Fantasyland rides so they don't miss out since they aren't at Disney World.
My bag. Got it. Wait, hold on a sec. I think we made it.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
We're turning red.
Is it going up? Is it moving? All right, guys, we're going through the castle to visit Main Street, the one area that we haven't been this whole Disney day. Beautiful place, baby. Beautiful.
Oh, really?
Candy store. There's a mural that says there's candy in our future. Oh. Is that an apple?
It's nice. We got this for the cat sitter. If it makes it to them.
Good luck. That's a huge chocolate chip Mickey cookie.
Yep.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining us on this 5-day adventure on the Carnival Miracle and Disney parks. For now, enjoy this memory montage, and we'll see you beaches in the next one.